Hello once more, this is Gary, and today I will be opening my second Modern Masters box. And the date today is June 4. Alright, so I received my box today, and this is the package that arrived. I'm going to open it right now. So it's sealed quite well. A lot of packaging here, and there's the box. Alright. Put that away. Now, gonna open the box. Hoping to get something nice. Alright. Okay. In the box. Yeah. You have your Modern Masters flyer there. Taking out the cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess some of the packs got shifted around. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I guess this one's here. Oh. It's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So I am guessing that I don't want to rearrange them. This got transferred here. So you have 8, 8, and 8. Okay. Put this away. And yeah. Let's begin by opening the left hand side. I'm going to begin with the left hand side. Okay. Topmost back. Okay. Our this card is inverted. Our foil, Spectral Procession, our rare, Hercules Recall. Okay, that's the top. Next, we have Helium Squirter, our rare, Shadow Mage Infiltrator. Okay. Next, we have Inner Flame Igniter, Tezzeret the Seeker. We have our first mythic. And next, we have Vines of Vastwood, Banefire. Okay. Right. Next, we have Soul Bright Flamekin, our foil. Second Tarmogoyf. Right. So both boxes got Tarmogoyfs. Very nice. And next, we have Vampire Lacerator, Horde of Notions. Right? We already had 2 mythics, and this was at the left hand side of the box, so that could be a sign, I don't know. Next, we have Gnarlid Pack, Ulamog, our Eldrazi. Good. Ulamog is also a mythic, so 3 mythics are in the left hand part of the box. It's really random. You can't predict where they are. Next, Inexorable Tide is our foil rare. Okay. And we have Argent Sphinx. Okay. That is the left hand side. Next, middle part. Let's see what we have here. Matka Rioters, Spike Shot Elder. Okay. And then next, we have Sickle Reaper, Mystic Snake. Alright. Next, we have, whoa, another foil mythic rare, Iona, Shield of Emeria. And then Daybreak Coronet. Okay, our foil mythic rare. So now we have 2 foil rares and 1 Tarmogoyf. Okay. Oh. Next, Dagger Claw Imp, Overwhelming Stampede. Okay. Next, we have Dusk Hunter Bat, Midnight Banshee. Okay. Well, I was really hoping for Emrakul. Haven't had that card yet, ever. Waxmane Baku, Lodestone Mirror. Okay. Or Noble Hierarch. That's one of the other ones I haven't had yet. Next, Goblin Fireslinger. Another Inexorable Tide. Yeah, but the other one is foil. That doesn't count. Next, we have Burst Lightning, Swans of Brine, or Bryn Argol. Okay. Next, so that is the second row. Our third row. Okay. Rootkin Ally. Okay, Profane Command. Great. And next, Mirror Enforcer, Etched Monstrosity. have Core Duelist and Precursor Golem. And next, we have Copper Carapace, Lodestone Golem. Next, we have, wow, another foil rare, Surgical Extraction. 2 foil rares and 1 mythic rare. 1 Tarmogoyf, not bad. And Queen. Not bad at all. We're down to our last 2 packs here. And oh, it's inverted. Necrogenesis, Edge Champion. And next, we have Wings of Veli's Veil, Miran Crusader. Right. And our final pack here, we have Sunspear Shikari, another Daybreak Coronet. So we got 2 Daybreak Coronets in this box. So I would say it's still a good box. We were looking for Tarmogoyf, and we got it. I'm not sure the order. Let me just check. 3. There's already seen 3. Not 4. Maybe 5. Yep. Pack number 5. You got our Tarmogoyf. So that's it. And thank you for watching. I can say that I am satisfied with what I got. Have a good day.